Hello everyone. So today I'm gonna show you how to make a char siu. Char siu. Do you like ramen? So this one, like a char siu rice, then decoration to a ramen, right? So you can make easily in your home. I'm just to show you easy way. And char siu making style method, many different kinds. I'm just show you easy one. Homemade char siu. You can make it. Okay. So this one is a pork shoulder part, and I recommend if you wanna make char siu. So I recommend pork. And you can use butabara. It's a belly side char siu, and this one is shoulder side char siu. You can make a different part of pork. So it's chewing texture is a little different, and the balance of fat and red meat. I love char siu, so belly side and shoulder side. But anyway, today I'm gonna use shoulder side char siu. Okay, so this one is about 400 grams. So I'm gonna use this one is laurier. So you can get easy in supermarket spice section, but I'm gonna use two leaf for boiling, two leaf for soaking delicious char siu sauce, but four. So and this one is the ginger root and two garlic. And first need a long leaf, green side, but two, like this. So I'm always keeping in Ziploc in refrigerator. So don't throw away. This one is good part of vegetable. Okay. So soaking and dipping in char siu, nice. Good flavor sauce making from soy sauce and sake, and I'm gonna use honey. So sake, I recommend some cheap one, like a package one, so you can get so easy package in supermarket. Also this one is use char siu net. This one is nice. And another style is using takoito. It's strings like this, tight, and make a good nice style of making the char siu outside. But I recommend this one. You can get so easy. Some you better search Amazon site. Ask Amazon. Amazon has many good cooking tool, cooking equipment they have. Okay, ask Amazon. It's so cheap, but 300 yen of this kind of net, 1 meter, 300 yen maybe. Yeah, you better search it. It's easy to get. Okay, let's start cooking. So if you wanna make homemade char siu, so you have to set of frying pan and a pot like this. So first step, you have to saute pork outside. This meaning is keep good taste inside. Then boiling hot water. Okay, so it's a 2-liter water, and you just put in the long leaf, green side, and 2 ginger slice. So this one is garlic and bay leaf,ね, laurel too. So you just wait for to boiling. Okay. Then take the pan, high flame. Just waiting, heating up. Sauteed char siu. So you doesn't need some oil because in this meat has a fat side. You can use it like this. So all outside you have to bake some nice burning, little bit change color of brown. Yeah, like that. Okay. So all outside you have to saute. So I recommend you better use this kind of tongue, like if you use some long chopsticks, little heavy about this kind of portion. So you have to saute all sides and this side also. Okay, and this part is another part. I'm just making now of char siu sauce. This one is after boiled char siu, dipped in from soy sauce, 500 cc, and sake, 500 cc, and honey about 50 cc inside. So this sauce is already I made it because I was making many char siu in this sauce. So after this sauce is you can use it again and again. That's why cool down, then keeping refrigerator. But now I'm gonna make a new char siu. So I'm gonna just heating up char siu dipping sauce, just heating up right now, but not boiling. Don't boil. About temperature is 90 degrees. You just stop heating, then waiting over boiled char siu. Okay. This one is char siu dipping sauce. Okay. So boiling water is done. Now high flame right now. So you just dip in char siu like this, and this part is very important. So change heating power. I'm gonna show you. It's low temperature cooking start. Low temperature. Okay? Like this. And okay. 1 hour later. So cooking time is 50 minutes over low heat. How about boiled pork? Oh, like this. And dipped in char siu sauce. So this char siu sauce temperature is about 80 to 90 degrees, not boiling, like this. Okay, I'm gonna use another container. So I use this kind of container, good for the cool down and keeping in refrigerator. So comfortable, like this, and just soak. Dip in this. Okay. Just dip it in. So it'll cool down outside of refrigerator. Then everything cool down, and you need a lid on top. Then keep refrigerator. I recommend keep refrigerator overnight. Then cooling down char siu. You better easy to slice. So now you cannot eat because not much of good soy sauce and sake and honey sauce, not inside, not inside sinking. That's why you have to wait, cool down, and keep in refrigerator overnight. So maybe tomorrow I'm gonna show you how inside. So cut and try to eat. Okay, let's try to eat. Okay, チャーシューいただきます。Soft and juicy inside. It's easy to make. So, I wanna eat ramen. This one is on top. So, very easy to make. You better make it. Okay, thank you for watching my channel. And see you again in my kitchen. Kanpai. Drinking hot sake.